Hey guys, this is Susan from Flower Child Gardens. I recently made a visit to Gamble Garden in Palo Alto to check out their native garden in August. Some of you may know that I was a horticulturist at Gamble for about 3 years and I managed a native section. And I was really sad to leave the garden, but I'm really happy to see that things are still looking wonderful and great. Right now in August, it's pretty late in the season, but the big star, the queen of the show, is Eriogonum. The native buckwheat that's in this video is actually Eriogonum parvifolium. It's one of my favorite varieties, and it just looks attractive year-round. As you can see, the flowers are kind of light pink, dusty pink with white color, and later in the season, in around October, when the flowers are spent, they actually turn kind of like this rusty brown color. It really has a nice quality to it. Unfortunately, this garden also has this legacy eucalyptus tree. I was always annoyed by this tree. It would constantly shed leaves, branches, bark all the time, and it was a lot to manage. Anyway, moving on, check out this really wonderful plant combination with the Epilobium winged silver, the Salvia apiana, and the Festuca idahoensis, as well as the Salvia clevelandii. Isn't that so pretty? Okay, back to the queen, the California buckwheat. Gosh, this is a fantastic pollinator plant. The bees absolutely go nuts for it. And how nice does it look with the Salvia apiana? The flowers are kind of pinkish in color. They do that when they're pretty stressed. It kind of reminds me of Dudleya's. Doesn't it look like a Dudleya? Kinda. Here's another shot of the Festuca idahoensis. This variety is Siskiyou Blue. And then everyone's favorite, the fried egg poppy. This is also known as Metalithia poppy or Romnea coulteri. Things like this always makes me happy. Whenever you have insects or you can hear birds around your garden, you know that your garden is healthy and alive. I don't think too many people know about this plant, but this is Delia. It's also known as gum plant. It's a pretty tough plant that can tolerate a lot of different conditions. You'll be able to find them on the coast pretty frequently, but it could also handle extreme urban sun exposure, a lot of reflected heat. Here's another attractive California native plant. This is called Russavada. It's evergreen. It's a very large shrub, and those things are actually edible. They kind of taste sweet and sour. There are a few different Rye Bees, Rye Bees malvaceum, Rye Bees sanguineum, and also Rye Bees speciosum in the garden. And for the most part, they look good. They look good in the summer, but they are stress deciduous. Rye Bees speciosum, though, is definitely stress deciduous. It does go dormant during summer. You can see over here that they look dead, but they're not. They're just sleeping. In spring, they have small foliage and these bright red flowers that dangle. Okay, there's definitely way too much eucalyptus debris. Check out this bark. I mean, it just flies everywhere. But with a good rake, it's going to look really tight and nice. So that's it for Gamble Garden tour of the native garden in August 2019. It's looking really good. If you enjoyed this and would like to see more videos on California native gardens or plants, please let me know. Hit the like button and leave a comment. It'll give me a better idea of what you guys are into, and then I can put out some more videos that you guys want. Okay guys, have a good one.